Hey side hustle superstars! Welcome to a new video of boosting your income with AI side hustles. AI is revolutionizing how we make money, and you don't need to be a tech genius to cash in. In 2025, AI is opening doors to flexible, high-paying gigs that can fit around your 9 to 5 or even replace it. Over the next few minutes, I'll reveal the top 5 AI-powered side hustles to skyrocket your income, backed by real data and packed with tips to get started today. Let's jump in. But first, let's talk about why AI side hustles are the move for 2025. The gig economy is massive, valued at over $556.7 billion in 2024, and projected to hit $1.8 trillion by 2032, according to Amnesty. Meanwhile, AI adoption is skyrocketing. Elon University reports that 52% of US adults now use AI tools like ChatGPT, making them some of the fastest adopted tech in history. Why does this matter? Because AI lets you work smarter, not harder, automating tasks and unlocking gigs that didn't exist 5 years ago. Forbes notes that layoffs and rising costs are pushing more people to side hustles. 5% of the US workforce already juggles multiple jobs. AI hustles are perfect because they're flexible, often low cost to start, and can pay big. Let's dive into the top 5 AI side hustles that'll boost your bank account in 2025. Side hustle number 1, AI-powered content creation. Kicking things off at number 1, AI-powered content creation. Businesses are hungry for content. Blogs, social media posts, ad copy, and AI makes it easier than ever to deliver. Forbes highlights that tools like Jasper and ChatGPT let you create high-quality content fast, even without years of writing experience. By 2025, content marketing is expected to be a $1.5 trillion industry per the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Here's how it works. Use AI tools to draft blog posts, email, Camp AI GNS, or social media content for clients. You refine the output to add a human touch, ensuring it matches the client's brand. On platforms like Upwork, content creators charge $20 to $100 per hour, with top freelancers earning $1,000 plus monthly per net credit data. How to start? Sign up for Jasper or Copy AI. Many offer free trials. Practice writing for a niche like fitness or tech, then pitch small businesses on LinkedIn or Fiverr. Pro tip, build a portfolio showcasing AI-assisted work to attract clients. This hustle is perfect for creative communicators. Side hustle number 2, AI-generated art and design. Next up, AI-generated art and design, a hustle that's blowing up. Shopify reports that AI art generators like DALL E and Midjourney let anyone create stunning visuals for logos, t-shirts, or posters. You can sell these as digital downloads on Etsy or through print-on-demand platforms like Printful, with no inventory needed. The global print-on-demand market is projected to grow 25% annually through 2030 per Amnesty. Here's the deal. Use AI to generate unique designs, then sell them as wall art, phone cases, or merch. Dollar Sprout notes that niche sites selling AI art can earn $100 to $1,000 monthly, depending on marketing. On Fiverr, AI design gigs fetch $40 to $150 per project. Get started. Experiment with free trials of Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. Create a few designs, set up a shop on Redbubble or TeePublic, and promote on Instagram. No art skills? No problem. AI does the heavy lifting. This hustle is all about creativity and hustle. Side hustle number 3, AI-powered social media management. At number 3, we've got AI-powered social media management. If you love scrolling TikTok or Instagram, this one's for you. Businesses need consistent, engaging social media, and AI tools like Hootsuite or SocialBee automate scheduling, content creation, and analytics. Forbes predicts social media marketing will be a $1.5 trillion market by 2030, with 8% job growth for marketing managers. You'll use AI to craft posts, analyze performance, and target audiences, saving hours of manual work. On Upwork, social media managers charge $25 to $75 per hour, with Ret AI earners reaching $2,000 monthly for small businesses per Forbes. How to break in? Learn tools like Buffer with free tutorials on YouTube. Offer services to local businesses or influencers, starting at $50 per project. Build a portfolio with Camp AI GNS to show your skills. This hustle is perfect for social media buffs who want to get PAID to scroll. Side hustle number 4, AI consulting for small businesses. Moving to number 4, AI consulting for small businesses. This is a high earner for those with some tech know-how. Forbes reports the AI consulting market will skyrocket from $11.3 billion in 2022 to $643 billion by 2028, a 5,590% jump. Why? Because 92% of U.S. organizations plan to be AI-enabled by 2028 per AWS. As an AI consultant, you'll help businesses integrate AI. Think chatbots for customer service or analytics for sales. You don't need a PhD. Basic knowledge of tools like ChatGPT or Zapier can get you started. Consultants charge $50 to $150 per hour on platforms like People Per Hour, with top earners hitting six figures annually. How to start? Take Coursera's AI for Business course for under $50. Network on LinkedIn, offering free audits to small businesses to build your rep. Create case studies to showcase results. This hustle is ideal for strategic thinkers ready to cash in on the AI boom. Side hustle number 5, AI-powered video editing and creation. Last but not least, AI-powered video editing and creation. Video is king. YouTube, TikTok, and ads dominate marketing. AI tools like Descript and Clipchamp make editing faster, adding subtitles, removing bloopers, or even generating faceless YouTube videos. Entrepreneur.com notes that AI spokesperson videos, digital avatars for ads, pay up to $110 per day, with other video gigs averaging $40 to $52.50 DAII. You can create ads, tutorials, or social media clips for clients, charging $50 to $200 per project on Fiverr. Side Hustle Nation says AI video editors combine creativity with tech, making this a hot gig for 2025. Get started. Try CapCut's free version or Descript's trial. Practice editing short clips, then pitch to content creators or businesses on Upwork. Build a reel to show your skills. This hustle is perfect for video lovers who want to turn passion into profit. Start your AI hustle today. There you have it. The top 5 AI side hustles for 2025: content creation, AI art, social media management, AI consulting, and video editing. These gigs are flexible, scalable, and can start with little to no upfront cost. AI isn't a magic money machine. It's a tool to amplify your hustle. Pick one, dive into free tutorials, and start small on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy. The gig economy is your playground, so seize it. If this video lit a fire under you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Comment below, which AI hustle are you starting? Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the money-making game.